All right, good morning. I'm gonna be off to my oh, by the way, my truck has finally been repaired. Oh man, wow. Issue this far. Okay, let's get going. Okay. All right. Let's see how the day goes. No, sorry about that. Okay, we're off. We are going to Crawley. Gonna do a delivery over there. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, let's give it full thrust, get this beast on the road. It's gonna be a good day today. All right, see you guys at the site. All right, I'm about 7 minutes out, and you get idiots which doesn't allow you to get into lane because they are immaculate, wonderful, amazing people. All right, enough ranting. Let's get going. Let's get the job. It's finally raining. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. So well needed. Oh, I have to come back onto myself again. So it seems. Ah, listen to the rain. It's a lovely sound. They say it's going to be raining all day, it's going to be cloudy, so it might be thunder as well. Well, to be honest with you, I don't mind. I mean, our reservoirs in Essex is dry. It's unbelievable how dry it is. And yeah, it needs filling. But surely this country sooner or later will make provision for for rain, for more water, because this is not the first year this is happening. I know it's going to cost billions and billions. I know, we can hear that. No, it's costing billions, but the thing is, if it means we're going to be out of water, then spend it. That makes sense. Yeah, so my truck is finally fixed. It's welded. It shouldn't be leaking anymore. We should be able to carry on as normal. If there's any issues, then I will need to report it. But the thing is, what the players don't understand is you need your top air and that kind of stuff for this kind of work, and you have to use it. You don't have a choice. So if something's broken, you take it back and get repaired. End of. There's no even discussion about it. If I get pulled over by DBLA for any whatever reason, I will need to kind of explain myself. If the truck is, say, the tire wear is terrible or anything down this line, I have to kind of explain myself, not the company. But in any case, here we are, quickly in Crawley, doing a delivery. Haven't been to this place. No, it's not there. I'm very close to it. Oh, there's building taking place there. I know I need to go down there, and somewhere I need to turn right. I had a quick look on the map. See, there's definitely Bellway I need to get to. And not a crematorium. I doubt it. I need to deliver there. Discount fireworks. Oh, here we go. Bellway. That's that way. I think it's here. What's the number? 1752. 1752. I can actually see it from here. I don't know if this is the gate where I need to enter, but it's Bellway. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to get there. Let's do a wide turn here. Well, I'm going to be blocking traffic. I took the gate with me. Alright, fair enough. Right, let's get going. Got a 5.5 on. Lifted the trailer so I don't damage my flaps, especially that side. Don't rip it off. Now they initially asked me to go in there, which is not possible, so I decided to come in here. So what I'm waiting for is one bar over there and one bar over here. Now that's a more or less. That is not 100%. Now I got 24 ton on here, so you can take about 4 ton off. I have to test this and see if this is working. They welded it, so yeah. And it's starting to rain. I don't mind it. I don't mind getting wet. Silo's empty. As you can see, it's a brand new silo. Kind of a nice one. You can see the top window, the fluff has started. It's looking kind of nice. Alright, I'm finished, I'm done and dusted. I'm gonna get going again. It's raining. Just when I finished, it just came down, but we need the rain, so I'm not going to complain. Let's get going. All right, we're going to go home now. So I'm going to say recent destination. Okay, let's get going. Turn on my wipers. Oh my gosh, it's still working. That's brilliant. I'm gonna put my diff lock on because I will need it right now. I might get stuck. So that truck's coming in where I need to go out, so just feed it. So what you do is I feed the trailer at the moment. That's all I'm doing. I think is a bit. Let me just do it slightly better. Just correct the trailer a bit. Oh. So I'm going to do turn my diff lock off. Let's go forward. Okay, that went down well. I'm a bit wet, but hey, we love getting wet, don't we? Oh. Well, where's the exit? That guys need to go somewhere. I can't even go that route. If I can go around, I would have. No, well, he doesn't know I'm waiting for him, so let's just. Whoop. Yep, that's done. It's fine. Okay, it's about 56 minutes drive. Okay. So let's get going. Thank you. Okay, so far everything went well. I'm not gonna lie. Big butts don't lie. Oh no, that's the wrong song. But yeah, you guys get the drift. Let's do a wide one. Thank you. Wow, that was muddy. I must admit my shoes are not in a good state at the moment. I don't want even bother looking at it right now. I just try to clean it as best that I can. But I know for a fact it's gonna mess up my truck. But it is what it is. You can't do nothing about it. So I got one more tip and then that's it. Then preload and then take a break. Alright guys, see you guys at my next step again. Alright guys, I'm in Wembley at the moment, as you can see. I'm doing a delivery in a yard, so no construction site today. Well, right now. Yeah, it's gonna be an easy one. About 4 minutes out. It's really narrow, these places. It's 4 o'clock. I'm working really late today. Our plant had an issue, was broken down, so I was waiting there around about 2.5 hours, sitting there doing absolute nothing. So that wasn't nice. Because my truck is a real mess at the moment, because the chute broke and it dumped all on my truck, and it's raining. It makes things even worse. Oh man, it's gonna be traffic later on. It's almost 5 o'clock. An hour's time is 5 o'clock. Then this place is going to be packed. really hungry today. I'm really looking forward to my meals. Well, what was that? Let's see if I could turn right here. Ooh, I hope there's no events taking place because of these cones. Oh, there's an event. Damn. That means I can't park up. Ooh. Well, I didn't see that bump. All right. What's happening here? Okay. Yeah, there's the event. If they do this parking thing, which they're doing right now, then you know you're buggered. I think close by is a McDonald's as well, come to think about it. Alright, here we are. That gate's over there. I'm gonna drive in straight and then reverse onto the silo. Yeah, the green silos. Oh, it's green. That's a silos. Oh, I need to tip on. Apparently it's quite quick. Okay, I'm gonna put my hazards on. And yeah, guys. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Give me a like and subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for the new couple of vlogs, upcoming vlogs. See you guys later.